Hi, my name is Diana.
I'm Mateo.
My name is Pedro.
Today I will be showing you how to factor polynomials when the polynomial is equal to 0. So the first step is that you have to multiply a times c. So in this case, a times c is equal to 18. Then we will be finding the factors of 18 and the sum of the factors. The factors of 18 in this case are 1 and 18, 2 and 9, and 3 and 6. After we find the factors, we just have to find the sum of the factors. So it will be 19, 11, and 9. For this problem, the factors that we will be using are 2 and 9 because they add up to 11 and 11 is equal to 8. After we know our factors, we will be substituting the 2 and 9 in for 11. So our new equation will be 3x squared plus 2x plus 9x plus 6 equals 0. After this, we will be putting them into factor groups, which would be 3x squared plus 2x, and then plus 9x plus 6 equals 0. After this, we will be finding the greatest common factors of each group. So for the first group, the greatest common factor is just x. So it will be x times 3x plus 2. And then for the second group, the greatest common factor is 3. So it will be plus 3 and then all times 3x plus 2. From here, we notice that these two groups are the same. So we will only be using one, and then our other group will be x plus 3. From here, we just have to separate the two factor groups into different equations to find what x equals. So the first one will be x plus 3 equals 0, and then 3x plus 2 equals 0. From here, we'll just solve for x. So the first one is x equals to negative 3, and then x equals to negative 2 over 3.
So I will be identifying A, B, and C. A is 4, B is 7, and C is negative 4. So now I'm going to multiply A and C. So it's 4 times negative 4, which will equal to negative 16. And then you will factor this. So this is what you get when you factor them, and then you find the sum of the factors, which you clearly see none of these add up to 7. Since none of these add up to 7, the answer must be prime.
So my problem is 3a squared plus 8a plus 4. And so what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to find when the answer for when a equals to 1. The first step to solving this would be a multiplied by c, which would equal 12. And after multiplying a times c to get 12, you must find the factors of 12 to where their sum will equal 8. So factors of 12 would be 12 and 1. It would be 6 and 2. And so the sum of 12 and 1 will equal 13. And the sum of 6 and 2 will equal 8, which is what we're looking for. I'm going to substitute the 8 with the 6 and the 2. And so then the equation will be 3a squared plus 6a plus 2a plus 4. After writing the new equation, I'm going to put them into factor groups. So now that I put these in factor groups, I am going to find the greatest common factor of each of these. So for this one, it will be 3 and a. So it will be 3a on the outside, and it will be a plus 2. And now for this one, I am going to find the greatest common factor, which will be 2. So plus 2. And we know this is correct because both of these are the same. So now that I have these groups from the greatest common factor, I'm going to group 3a plus a 2 right beside the a plus 2, which will give us our answer. Now that I've found the grouping based on the greatest common factor, I'm going to put 3a and the 2 into their own grouping besides the a plus 2, which will be